So come to the exercise 7.2. First one is very important question. Exercise 7.2. So number 1. So in an isosceles triangle ABC, it is given that the bisector of B and C. At first, in case of an isosceles triangle ABC, given that AB and AC are equal, then bisectors of angle B, that means this one and this one, meet at the point O. Bisector, that means this line OB bisect this angle B at two equal parts. That means these two angles are equal. Similarly, these two angles are equal. Now join AO. Okay. So first thing we have to prove that OB is equal to OC, and the second one we have to prove that AO bisect angle. So you have to write these things. In triangle ABC, AB equal to AC and OB and OC are the bisectors of angle B and angle C, which is a given thing. Okay, so we have to prove that. So first one is OB equal to OC, and the second one we have to prove that OA bisect angle A. Okay, so these two things we have to prove. So number 1. So in triangle ABC, AB equal to AC, which is given. Okay, so when AB equal to AC, then opposite angles of the sides in the triangle ABC are equal. That means angle C is equal to angle B. That implies angle C, you can write angle C is equal to angle B. Opposite angle of the side AB is equal to C, and opposite angle of the side AC equal to B. So both C and B are equal. Okay, so you can just write here opposite angles of equal sides are equal. Okay, here. So now you just divide by 2. 1 by C by B. Dividing both sides by 2. Why dividing both sides by 2? I will show you. Dividing both sides by 2. Okay. So now look at this one. Already it is given that OC bisect this angle. OC bisect the angle C and OB bisect the angle B. If OC bisect this whole angle, suppose you take the value whole angle, suppose 4, then suppose OC bisect the angle C into equal parts. That means this part is 2, this part is 2. Yeah. Suppose this whole part is 4. That means this part is 2, this part is 2. Okay. So now you can say that half of C angle is equal to OCB. You can write, because OCB and OCA, whenever you plus OCB and OCA, you will get the whole angle C, and it is given that OCB and OCA are equal. And look at this one is a 2, so 2 is what? Half of 4, and 4 is what? The angle C. So that means half of C is equal to what? You can write OCB. Clear? And half of B you can write angle OBC. And why we write OCB and OBC, not taking OBA and OCA? Because our target is to prove OB equal to OC. and OB equal to OC, you can prove whenever you take the triangle OBC. That is why we take these two angles. Okay, don't get confused with this one. I am again repeating this one. It is given that OC bisect this angle. That means this whole angle C is divided into two equal parts. That means this part and this part are equal. Okay, so you can say that the angle C is twice of this angle. That means whenever you divide that whole C angle by 2, you will get this angle. Okay, so OCB and OBC again, but you have to write in this case, since OB and OC are the bisectors of angle B and angle C. Okay, now OCB, that means this angle and this angles are equal. So in the triangle OBC, look at this one. If this angle and this angles are equal, then opposite sides are equal. Therefore OB equal to OC. So right here. So therefore OB equal to OC. Right? Opposite sides of equal angles are equal. Second theorem of today's class. Okay, clear? So first proof, let me finish here. So now come to the second theorem. Sorry, second proof. So second proof is what? We have to prove OA bisect the angle A. So this one is ABC. So now look at these two triangles. If you prove these two triangles are congruent, then automatically this will be proved. So number 2. In triangle OAB and triangle OAB and OAC. Okay, AB equal to AC, which is given. Okay, so number 2, you can write suppose OA equal to OA. Okay, which is common side. And OB equal to OC, already proved. Or you can write the Peterson number something. Okay, so therefore triangle OAB is congruent to triangle OAC, which is SSS. Okay, so therefore angle B, you can write angle OAB. If these two triangles are congruent, then these two are the corresponding parts. That means OAB equal to angle OAC, CPCP. So therefore OA bisects angle A. Okay.